organization for the past 12 years as a director.
What was program today and what was its motive?
Today's program, Samman NGO has formed 31 children parliament groups in all over Bhopal. And through these children parliament groups, there are a lot of activities going on in and around Bhopal. And then among those children, those 31 groups, we wanted to create or we wanted to make one district level children parliament group. All these children, there are about 700 children, they were brought together in ships, and then from there some children were chosen, these being chosen by the children themselves. And then we chose 28 children. With these 28 children, a district level children parliament group is being formed today.
How did you select children? Did you go each and every colony and how did you selected them for parliament?
This parliament, we are working in 15 slums, and then from those 15 slums, in consultation with the parents, and then we explain to the children what is children parliament, what they can do, what they can learn, and then the children understood, the parents also understood, and then those who are interested, they are being chosen for this group, and then they form 22 to 28 will form one group.
What did the children learn from this program and how will it useful for them?
The children will learn to be responsible at the very young age itself, and then they will concentrate on the issues that are going on in their localities, and then they pick up the issue, and then they from their side they are trying their best to do to solve the problem. If it is not possible, and then they approach the concerned authorities, maybe the municipality office or the health sector, wherever it is applicable, there they go, and then they try to do something. They actually a lot through the children parliament.
Is your motive to make a responsible citizen of India?
Yeah. Yes, today we know the children are very young age itself. They are going away from the parents. Sometimes the children don't listen to the parents. Sometimes they don't listen to the teachers. And it is being one of the major issues in our country. Control the children and put them in a proper direction. But these children parliament, they learn how to discipline themselves and how to make others to come to this line and discipline them. That's one.
Okay, give your introduction one time more.
Yeah, I am Father Simon James, the director of Samman organization, which is in Bhopal. It's a unit of Janivika Society. I have been working in this organization as a director for the past 12 years, and these 12 years we have done a lot for women, youth, and children living in the slums in Bhopal.
ताज़ा खबरों के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद।